Alright guys, this is Hunter. I got a old antique hay rake and I'm at a estate sale and they want $300 for this thing. It's pretty cool. It's got the old seat. It's pretty neat. There's the price on there. Anyway, that's pretty cool. It's got the hookup, the hitch. I mean, we're talking really old here, guys. It's pretty neat. I'm gonna back up here, see the back side of it. It's pretty neat. Talking real antique here. Just get real close to the wheel. That's pretty neat with the spokes. You don't see too many of these old farm equipment nowadays, so it's pretty cool. Anyway, I wanted to share that with you. I can hear that rooster. Okay guys, anyway, I wanted to tell you thanks for watching this video. I just got a phone call like right in the middle of the video, so I kind of cut it off. So until next time guys, take care. Bye-bye.